We live in a world that's forgotten what health truly means, where being tired is normal, where brain fog, bloating, and fatigue are expected, where strength is judged by the size of your arms, not the resilience of your mind. But let me tell you something. You weren't made for mediocrity. You weren't born to be weak, tired, and dependent on pills and powders. You were built to be strong, physically, mentally, emotionally. Somewhere along the way, we gave up our instincts. We stopped listening to our bodies. We started trusting systems that profit from our sickness, and we forgot that nature already gave us everything we needed to thrive. Think about it. Your ancestors didn't need meal plans, supplements, or 30-day fitness apps. They survived. They adapted. They hunted. They woke up with purpose, moved with strength, and rested without anxiety. But now, we wake up tired, drink caffeine to survive, scroll endlessly, and call it rest. We've traded function for convenience, energy for sugar, real food for lab-made garbage, and we wonder why we're inflamed, broken, and lost. This isn't just about fitness, it's about freedom. Freedom from fatigue. Freedom from disease. Freedom from the narrative that says, this is just aging, when really, it's just damage. Damage we were never taught how to undo. But now you know. Healing starts when you go back to what's real, when you stop fearing food and start respecting it, when you stop punishing your body and start training it with intelligence and purpose. You don't need a six-pack. You need energy when you wake up. You need mental clarity, pain-free joints, strong sleep, and deeper breaths. The How You Do's journey is not about perfection, it's about intention. Start simple. Move every day. Lift something heavy. Cut out the fake food. Eat real, whole meals. Drink water like your life depends on it, because it does. Sleep like it's sacred. Breathe. Walk. Touch grass. See the sun. This world wants you weak, distracted, and numb. Your strength is rebellion. Your health is power. And your discipline is your weapon. No one is coming to save you. But you don't need saving. You need remembering. Remember who you were before the fatigue, before the processed food, the pills, and the self-doubt. That version of you, they're still in there, waiting. So don't wait another Monday. Don't wait for the perfect plan or the right motivation. Just start. Stand up, breathe deep, and take that first step back to your true self. Because strong isn't just how you look, it's how you live. Are you tired of feeling weak? Tired and lied? Tired and lied? You've been fed fake food, processed junk, and promises that led nowhere. But now, the fight back begins. This isn't just another fitness guide. This is Carnivore Optimized, a call to arms. Written by Jonathan Griffiths, an autistic athlete, spine disease warrior, and founder of Carnivore Muscle, this 80-plus page ebook is your blueprint to reclaiming your body, your strength, and your fire. You'll discover why meat heals and fake food destroys, how to boost energy, balance hormones, and sharpen your focus, the truth about training without burnout, tools to crush fatigue, gut problems, and brain fog, how to stay strong in a world that's designed to keep you weak. Every download is more than just a health step. It's a rebellion against the system keeping us sick and tired. It's time to rebuild, time to reclaim, time to own your biology. Download Carnivore Optimized now and become the strongest version of you.